If you want to create a new layer in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to add a new layer, whether you want the fastest method, a keyboard shortcut, or the menu option. New layers are essential for editing because they let you work non-destructively, keep your design organized, and make changes without affecting the original image. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photopea tutorials. Let's get started. First, look over to the right side of your screen and find the Layers panel. At the bottom of that panel, you'll see the new layer icon. It looks like a small square document page with a folded corner. Just click that icon once and Photopea will instantly create a transparent new layer above the layer you already have selected. This is the fastest way to add a layer, and it's perfect when you want to keep moving quickly while editing. Now, if you prefer using your keyboard, there's an even more efficient method. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+N. On Mac, press CMD+Shift+N. When you do this, a pop-up window will appear. This gives you the option to name your new layer and in some cases adjust settings like opacity or blend mode before the layer is created. If everything looks good, click OK or simply press Enter to confirm. This shortcut is great when you want more control and better organization, especially in bigger projects with lots of layers. And if you want to skip the pop-up window entirely, there's a faster shortcut for that too. On Windows, press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+N. On Mac, press CMD+Option+Shift+N. This instantly creates a new clean layer without opening the dialog box, which is ideal when you just want to work as fast as possible. Finally, you can also create a new layer from the top menu bar. Just click Layer, hover over New, and then select Layer. This is a simple option if you prefer using menus instead of buttons or shortcuts. No matter which method you choose, the result is the same. A brand new transparent layer ready for your text, shapes, brushwork, or edits. Once you get used to these methods, creating layers in Photopea becomes second nature and can seriously speed up your workflow. So to recap, use the new layer icon for the fastest method. Use Ctrl or CMD+Shift+N for the standard shortcut. Use Ctrl or CMD+Alt or Option+Shift+N for instant creation, or go through Layer, New, Layer in the top menu. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Photopea tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.